Hi, I'm Bernd from Phoenix Contact, and I'd like to show you a special function of our Ethernet patch panels, the shield current detection. Ethernet patch panel allow an easy link between the Ethernet cabling inside the cabinet and the field cabling outside the cabinet. The installation of this patch panel is very fast, simple and reliable. The patch panel have different connection technologies like RJ45, screw, push-in and IDC fast connection. And this patch panel with the bigger housing do have two protective functions. One is an integrated surge protection and the other one is the function we call shield current detection. In many installations, different parts can have different ground potential. If equipotential bonding is missing, an equalizing current can flow through the cable shield. This can cause communication issues or, in worst cases, damage equipment. Inside these functional patch panels, there is an LED and a measuring circuit. It monitors the cable shield. If the shield current is higher than plus minus 30 milliamp, the LED turns on. This gives you a simple visual diagnosis for grounding problems in the installation. We installed two patch panels here in different installation segments or cabinets. This patch cable are connected via an Ethernet data cable, and if we have different potentials in our cabinets, and there is no boning or earthing cable in between, the different potential equalize each other via the connected data cable. We have here a shield current on the line because the LED here is on. That means we have a current of higher than plus minus 30 milliamp on the data cable. If I remove this data cable now, we can see the LED turns off. The remedy is a correctly installed equipotential boning between the segments using a boning conductor. When I install this boning cable, the equalizing current flows there and the LED turns off. Thanks for watching. If you see the LED, check your boning and grounding concept.